All right. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody this morning? All right, let's get started. So I don't have, the only thing I have on right now is I took a short on the E-mini S&P. Let's briefly take a look at that. I'm still running to see if I can run some scans, see if I can find some stocks here. Right now we are short on the E-mini S&P. Charts here. Okay, short on the E-mini S&P. Still pretty quiet, not moving much. Targets 4172, fairly tight target.
RVPH.
I sold it 4177, so a little bit tighter target on this. So anyway, so I'm short the E-mini S&P, target 4172. So you can see it's pretty tight range here. Not a whole lot of activity here yet. See, you had a lot of selling going around 79. If it does come up, I may add more around 83, 84. If we can come up there, add more to my short. Not sure we can make it up there though. Anyway, all right, so we're just, well, that's going to be quiet. I mean, the ES kind of a slow mover right now, so I don't expect much there. Let's look at our mini Russell. Not seeing anything on the mini Russell. Gold. Not seeing really anything in gold. Natural gas, another one I like to trade. Not really seeing anything here on natural gas. And then one more on crude oil, and I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything there like on crude oil. All right, so short an ES. Let's see how that works out. So we're short an ES. Look at some stocks. Pretty quiet morning this morning, guys. Yeah, RVPX. Pretty much on my radar. Good morning, Glenn. How are you? Still have the ocean little background over here. Yeah, RVPX looks like it go up a little bit here. Volume's quiet. 15-cent spread bid ask. That is not going to do it. Hey, LV, that was on the radar yesterday. Nah, there's no volume there. All right, let's look at HOUR. That's been active this morning. And be some opportunities there a little bit later. 2-cent spread, 11 million already. Good volume. HUIZ. Don't see anything there. PIRX also. I like PIRX. Like that's going down. WAFU. That may want to go down to 7-cent spread on that. Volume's not bad. NNOX. Nano imaging. All right, so $10 stock. It's all right. Let's see what's going on, how active this is. Looking at NNOX. NNOX. I'll keep an eye on it. The only thing I don't like is that big gap. I had a big price gap on the dailies. So you have a big gap on NNOX. And that was from yesterday. And then we gapped up a little bit more today. And that actually could be a good selling opportunity if we could come down to these lows. Anyway, I don't think I'm ready to get in NNOX yet. No, I do think it could possibly go a little bit higher. Stay away from NNOX. see what else we have here. Really, really quiet. And then OX. The IMTX. IMTX. The healthcare. Okay, so tell you what, I'd like it if it can come up to. Actually, I do have some longer term buys in here. I'm gonna watch around that breaking of the 10, so 10:02. I want to get up there around 10:02. I'll go ahead and I'll set an alert on that at 10:02. All right, we're gonna keep an eye on that. IMTX, it is healthcare. I'll be looking, if we can get up to that 10:02, I'll be looking to buy it. Check the activity here. That looks good. I really don't even get concerned until around 10:40. If that holds, I mean, that could dry up. All right, so I like that. I'm gonna watch IMTX. IMTX. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, all right, WAFU. It's a China stock, and it does look like volume's not too bad. We're sitting around here 438. Really would like to see a little dip in here. I don't have any pattern setting up either, and it does look like it does want to come down a little bit more. All right, so, but I am going to keep that on the radar. So we'll keep that on the radar. WAFU. Remember, China's any of these Chinese stocks have been really good lately. China's been their stocks have been pretty active. Also, Continue to keep an eye on AI and healthcare. LE, let's see. LEJU, another China stock. LEJU. I'm going to buy a little bit here in LEJU. Take a little light position here. Get some targets. I have a 650 target. I have a 47 target. Hmm. 60 target. About it. All right, let's see. Have a little bit of LEJU, first stock of the day. I am long. Take a light position. If we get a dip, go ahead and I'll buy some in here. Let's see what else we have for LEJU. EIRX. Not bad, 3 million volume, 2 cents spread. Really looks good. Let this one go though. I'm already in. This is also a Chinese stock. HEX. Well, it's super active. Okay, I'm gonna buy just a little bit here on LXEH. All right. All right, long LXEH. Got in at 154 on LHEX. Okay, LEJU. Still long LEJU. All right, so we're sitting on LEJU, long LXEX, and the only other thing I have on is I am short E-mini S&P. Let's check on E-mini S&P. About 6 minutes here before the opening bell. All right. Yeah, I enjoy watching Bookmap. I don't know. I mean, it's going to be interesting to see what they want to do, right? Feds are meeting tomorrow. Yeah, I'm surprised that the Dow hasn't really taken a tumble, and maybe it will. I don't know. It's hard to tell. What's your opinion? I try not to get too involved with the fundamentals because I don't want it to cloud my thinking. I'm just going with price direction. Now, if I was a longer term trader, I'd definitely be concerned about that. But being a scalper, I'm just concerned what it's going to do over the next 1, 2, 3 minutes. And that's the other thing is you really don't want to come in with a bias in the market because some of your better trades are going to be against what they call the trend. All right, ES is working its way. I need to keep an eye on this LXEH.
PTPI.
All right, still hanging tight. We're going to get up to $2 here. This thing could go parabolic, so I'm going to hold it and see how far we can go on this. Let's see what else I have here. I'm interested in top. Now this thing is just exploding. All right, maybe we're going to go parabolic, guys. Going to buy a little bit more. LEJU's finally moving. Still on LEJU.
UIHC. PTPI.
So this went through my third level up there.
RMTI.
I'm going to go ahead and just pull out of that, take my profit on that. LEJU. So right now I'm still long
UIHC.
LXEX. I'm sorry, LXEH.
UIHC.
Right before the opening, wait for the explosion. Maybe they'll halt on the upside. All right, about less than 30 seconds to go before the opening bell. Looking for quiet lower opening on the Dow. And we're going to get a ton of stocks start making new highs here. All right, here we go.
TLYS.
Down 33 on the Dow.
WGMI. RSVR. RMTI. PTPI,
watching
KALV,
LXEH.
USAU, SCPH, ACHV, WISA,
Autobind coming in.
LITM, AIRS, LE, TLYS,
Jeez.
KALV. RAIN, WGMI.
Profit target hit. All right, so our short E-mini hit target. This thing's crashing and burning. Let's look at that real quick. So the E-mini S&P blasted through target. We'll go ahead and get out of that.
RAIN,
LXCH.
SCPH, WGMI.
So we are halted, folks. Let's see if we get another big gap opening. Still long, LXEH. Did you get out of my LEJU?
ETWO.
Not doing anything.
CB traded.
IMTH.
RAIN,
Oh, the PTPI, IMGN, IMTX. It hit that 1002, but I did not take it, so I'm gonna let that go on IMTX, but I am interested. Let me see. Yeah, it wouldn't be, yeah, if we have a rate hike, we could see more bank failures. They're gonna kill it. They can't keep increasing rates.
WVE, USAU, EIVI.
VAOS.
All right. Look at my JDST. And the JDST is just, it just keeps going, slowly creeping higher. I don't want to touch that yet because I want to manage LXEH. All right, so this is good. So I bought LXEH at 154. When it opens, it's going to open at $4. All right, let's see what happens. Be a killer trade. Going to be finger on the trigger. I added right before the halt. I added more at 216 and 220.
LITM.
ETWO.
I still can't find a resumption time on this LXEX. It's not posted. That's crazy. $4. It's going to be a heck of a move.
LEJU.
Wish I had added a lot more, but that's all right. That's all right. I got a total of 1,000 shares. That's not a huge position, but I try to make as much as I can on the smallest amount of shares. Look at LEJU. I'm out of LEJU. I'm going to get into a little bit of LEJU. I do like it again. Yeah, they're. That's been halted as well, darn it. Ah, wish I'd stayed in the LEJU. Look at. LXEX.
LXEH.
It's all over the place. Halted at 3.
ACHV.
Let's look at what is happening here. We're still
SKYT.
still halted on LEJU. Oh, had it, got out, and tried to get back in, and it already halted.
KALV.
Good morning, Ellen. All right, let's take a quick look here. Let's see if we have anything on the indices. Okay, I'm going to take a short position on the mini NASDAQ. Let's look at mini NASDAQ. Not going to go too heavy on this. Put a target down here at 132.45. Like the selling. Okay. So we're short of mini NASDAQ. I'm going to look for a target of 132.45. And what I'll do is I'll put a resting order down there to get out.
KALV.
Don't have anything in any of the other indices. Nothing on gold, nothing on heating. Let's see, nothing on natural gas, nothing on crude.
FRC, VAOS, LEJU.
Still long LXEH. LXEH. Just a little bit here. Still in LXEH. Looks like we're in a halt again. Oh, I wish I would have held on to it.
LXEH.
That's in the hole too. I had
TIRX.
two longs. Got out of LEJU. Let's look at my JDST.
MARK.
LXEH.
All right, JDST. I do have some upper targets here. I'm going to buy a little bit of JDST. Let's look at target number one, 608. $6.18.
KALV.
All right, a couple targets there. 608, 618. Let's get through. We should easily get through 606 here. And get some selling going on here. See if we can get through this. Get through this wall of sellers. All right, JDST. Bought JDST. And I got in at 602. 602. I really want to keep an eye on this. Still in LXEX.
VBIV.
VAOS.
Let's look at PTPI. I traded that last week. PTPI. I don't see anything there like.
LEJU TIRX LXEH VAOS.
SKYT.
LEJU. I don't want to, I'm not going to jump back into LEJU right now. I still have this LXEH on.
LXEH.
VANI. These are just some of the stocks that are popping up on my radar. VANI.
TANH.
A little bit higher price stock DRIP. Like to see a little bit more volume in that one. LABD. That's going higher. I like it. I like LABD. I'm not going to touch it yet, though.
LEJU.
CX. Nice volume, good spread, bid and ask. Don't have any buying opportunities on it yet. Wait for dip. Could get some selling here about 50, somewhere around 55, 56. So we'll see if that pulls back. Maybe we'll have an opportunity a little bit later. All right. All right, so we're still short the mini NASDAQ. Let's look at that real quick. That's looking all right. So I have this target sitting down here. 132.45. I have a resting order to get out.
VAOS.
Yeah. Yeah, Glenn, they are in a tough spot. You know, they raised rates. To
VAOS.
see more banks. I think you're still going to see more bank failures anyway. I'm not so sure that's not the way it's all set up. You know, who knows? My JDST start moving a little bit. Let's look at my JDST.
SEAT.
All right, we're coming up to my targets on JDST. First one was 608. We're at 607, so we're almost there. And then we have another one up here at 18, 618. All right, so we're almost at the top of the hour, folks. Once again, if you would please hit the thumbs up button, please subscribe. Let me know you like these morning videos. I do try to select a good variety of not only stocks, but also some commodities. Didn't see anything in Forex this morning that I liked. Also, I have more videos on my YouTube channel, and or you can visit my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com, for more information. This is an approach I've been using for the last 35 years. I've been a 40-year trader, actually now about 42 years. And I've narrowed it down. I just use two different tools. I've narrowed it down to really a simplistic approach to trading. Trading does not need to be difficult. I think a lot of people make trading too difficult. They're looking at way too much information, and it's very hard to make a decision when you have a lot of information. I don't listen to news. I don't pay attention to the fundamentals. I'm a very short-term trader, so all I'm looking at is what the market's going to do over the next few minutes. That's it. And so I'm more of I look for my patterns. I like to see good momentum, and then Einstein will give me my levels. And that's what you see on these horizontal green lines. That's it. It's a pretty simplistic approach, but it does work. The simpler you can make your trading, I think the better results you're going to have. All right. So that's it. We'll wrap it up. We'll go into our live trading room, continue to trade for the next 2 hours with our subscribers. Everybody have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow morning, first thing, every morning, Eastern time at 9 a.m. Take care.